What is up, guys? Today we will be talking about how you guys can add money on Starpets. Well, the process is pretty simple. For that, we will be at the Google and we will go to the Starpets website, which should be, starpets.gg. So I'm just going to search for Starpets.gg and then I will go to starpets.gg's website. Now, in this website, as you can see, you have to log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, I'm just going to add any of the random things into my card so that they will want me to add funds. Now, here, if I click on this buy all, it will take me to this balance top up option. And the balance top up, as you can see, you can enter the amount you want. Suppose you want to add $10, just enter the $10, and then this is the amount here that you'll be paying according to local currency. Now, here, after selecting these things, you just have to select your payment method. Either you want to pay using your debit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, there are different options. You just have to select the one according to you, and then you just have to click on this top up balance. Now, the payment option, will pop up where they will want you to put your card information, which should include your card number and all the details. Just put it right here, confirm it, and there you go. That's how you'll be able to add money on Starpets. Hope you guys find this video helpful.